Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button before you even continue watching. Okay, alright, so I'm back with another crochet tutorial, crochet hairstyle. Alright, so we're just gonna get right into the video, guys. Alright, so this is my braiding pattern. Okay, I just have cornrows going down, and I missed the clip here, but I just tucked in the the hair at the end, and I just have some simple old school cornrows going down. I think I have like 10 of them, 5 on one side and 5 on the other. Okay, and so this is the hair that we're going to be using. It's from Toyotress. Okay, I want to say thanks to Toyotress for sponsoring this video. This is the hair. It is so beautiful. She is gorgeous. I love the color. I love the ombre. It starts out like a lock, but then the ends are like curly, and I just love that. And this is the loop, which is so easy to install. It's not as thick, even though it's not as skinny, but it's not as thick as mostly lock loops are. Okay, make sure you check out all the info about the hair in the description box. All the tea will be in the description box. Okay, all right, so just gonna go ahead and start installing the hair, and you guys know the drill. Okay, I'm just putting the crochet needle through my cornrow and putting the hair through it, and that's it. It's just really easy. You guys know I'm not really the best at explaining, but you look at the tutorial and you see what's going on, baby. All right, so yeah, it's so easy to install, guys. It only took me 2 hours, 1 hour doing the 1 hour doing the cornrows and the other to install. I don't even think the installation even took me an hour at all. It was pretty much like 40 minutes. Okay, like that's, yeah, or less. Like it is so easy to install, and that's what I love about this hair. And I'm probably gonna have it for a while, like 3 weeks. Okay, because I'm loving it. So I'm just gonna let the video roll so you guys can see. So in the back, I just literally just put them anyhow. I don't even just make sure we're filling it up, and then I'm gonna go in front. And yeah, so in front I'm a little careful because I want to make sure that the hair flows a certain way. So when I'm doing it, make sure that I'm crocheting a different direction. Okay, and you guys make sure that you follow Toyotress on Facebook. Okay, Toyotress Everyday Benefits. You can join the group. You can get some good discounts on the hair. Okay, so this is how I was doing the front on one side, just so make sure that it flows in the direction that I want it to flow. And wherever you want to pat the hair, you want to make sure that it flows a certain way. Okay, so just wanted to let you guys know that depending on where you want the hair to flow, where you're gonna pat, it does matter sometimes. Okay, I love the hair because it's skin friendly, it's natural and soft. Okay, as you guys can see, it's so natural looking, and I love that about it. It's so soft, it does not feel heavy at all. I know it looks like it's heavy, but it's not at all. It's so lightweight, and yeah, it's like I said, easy to install. I love how full the hair is. The hair comes in 8 packs, but I only used 7. Okay, and look how full my hair is. Okay, so full. And in each pack there is 12 locks. Okay, and you can style this hair in so many different ways, and that's another reason why I love the hair. Like I mentioned before, make sure you check out the description box for all the info. All the tea on this hair is in the description box. Okay, all the tea is in there. So for this particular one, I chose to just do the basic cornrows. I didn't do the individual illusion because I figured this hair was, you know, was gonna work for that. I didn't really need to do that. So yeah, but it's the same thing. I don't think it's gonna be any different if you choose to do the other one. Okay, it's the same thing. When I'm working on my hair in front and it's a thick loop like this, I make sure that I'm not crocheting my edges because, you know, it's thinner and it can easily break. So I always make sure that I do that. So I went ahead and did the back of camera, and then I'm just gonna show you guys in front. Okay, and then I finished off camera again. So this is it for this style. Okay, I'm loving it. I love the hair and I love the color the most. And also over here, I just wanted to show you how long this hair is. It's pretty long. I have to check how long the hair is. I forgot to do that, but it's pretty long, and this is how long it is. Look at that. Yes, and I'm loving the hair. It's perfect hair for summer, perfect color for summer. Okay, and I'm here for it. Okay. Yes, I was feeling the hair. So by the time this video goes up, I've had this hair for more than a week already. Okay, so we have 2 more weeks to rock it. Okay. It's such a good protective style. I always love crochet braids because they're such easy to install, and they do actually protect your hair. Okay, so yeah, you guys should know that. All right, so make sure you like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Okay, and let's hit 30K, okay, by the end of the year. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.